no matter what the situation is, a lot of times when people act violently, right? And this is me, I've been doing this for, I'm going into my 15th year of practicing law as a criminal defense attorney. When people act violently, a lot of times they feel justified in their actions because somehow they were disrespected, right? I did a video a couple months back on the Cardi B situation, right? And if you remember when Cardi B was hit with assault charges at a strip club, I think she had attacked a female who she accused of sleeping with Offset, right? So, you've been sleeping with my husband. Now I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, and that's my justification, right? Is it wrong to sleep with somebody's husband? Yes, it is, right? Does that give you a right to be mad? Absolutely. Should you probably feel disrespected by that? 100%. Can you then go out and assault somebody for that reason? You can, but there's going to be legal consequences to it, and that's not going to be a defense. It's not going to be a defense at all. And so I try and tell folks, hey, listen, feeling disrespected is not going to be a justification. It's not going to be a legal defense for what it is that you're doing. And these situations, I've never seen a situation where it was worth it. Maybe there's that, one off or one in a million, one in 1,000 situation where it ends up being worth it. But most times it is not worth it, right? People regret these type of situations, right? People end up, making statements or expressing something like this. I want to offer my deepest apology, right? I know I feel horrible for my actions and take full responsibility. I'm embarrassed and regret what occurred. And, mind you, this could be just be, putting on for the NFL network to get the job back. It could just, to save face, endorsement deals. There's a lot of consequences that come along from this type of behavior. But, I like to give folks a benefit of the doubt. And I'd like to think that he really is sorry for this. I'd like to think that he really does regret his actions, right? And this is an isolated event that has never happened up until this point and will never happen again, right? But sometimes this type of behavior is celebrated, right? And Willie had a bunch of guys with him that obviously were in on it. Whatever was done or whatever was the justification in their minds for this behavior, they were all in on it. So you had a couple guys who joined in on this attack, and I don't know if they're being charged. I would like to think that they should probably be charged too. Willie obviously was the one who had the bottle and hit the guy with the bottle, but these guys were getting licks in too, so it'd definitely be misdemeanor conduct, if not felony conduct, right? And that's not me hating. That's just me saying, what it is, right?